बड़ी खबर आ रही है। तपस्पाल ने, टीएमसी के सांसद तपस्पाल ने माफी मांग ली है। उनसे तृणमूल कांग्रेस की तरफ से कहा गया था कि बिना शर्त तपस्पाल माफी मांगे। तपस्पाल ने जो बयान दिया था जिसमें उन्होंने धमकी दी थी हत्या और रेप की विरोधियों को, उसको लेकर काफी हंगामा हो रहा था, विरोध हो रहा था, माफी की मांग की जा रही थी। हालांकि इस पूरे मामले में जो सभी पक्ष हैं वो कार्रवाई की मांग कर रहे हैं कि तपस्पाल के खिलाफ कार्रवाई हो, केस दर्ज हो उनके खिलाफ। लेकिन सांसद तपस्पाल ने माफी मांगी है, ये ताज़ा जानकारी आ रही है। तृणमूल कांग्रेस की तरफ से कुछ देर पहले ही ये बयान दिया गया था कि तपस्पाल को माफी मांगनी होगी और बिना शर्त माफी मांगेंगे तपस्पाल। आपको बता दें, तपस्पाल सांसद हैं, तृणमूल कांग्रेस के सांसद हैं कृष्णानगर से, और उन्होंने बयान दिया था विरोधियों की हत्या और रेप कराने की धमकी दी थी। अब तपस्पाल ने चिट्ठी लिखकर माफी मांगी है। जी हां, चिट्ठी लिखी है तपस्पाल ने, जानकारी मिल रही है, और चिट्ठी के जरिए माफी मांगी है तपस्पाल ने। तृणमूल कांग्रेस की तरफ से तपस्पाल को कहा गया था कि वो बिना शर्त फौरन माफी मांगे। हालांकि तब जबकि ये विवाद सामने आया था, ये बयान सामने आया था, तब तृणमूल कांग्रेस की तरफ से कहा जा रहा था कि तपस्पाल को 48 घंटे दिए गए हैं जिसमें वो अपना पक्ष सामने रखेंगे।
Within 22 hours of this news coming out about Taposh Pal's insensitive statements, my party, the Trinamool Congress, has acted with speed, alacrity and with conviction. Number one, within 2 hours of the statement coming out, we said we do not endorse the statement, we condemn the statement. Last night, within 4 hours of these statements coming into the media, thanks to all of you, we had informed Taposh Pal that he needs to give us a written explanation as fast as possible. This morning, 14 hours after those tapes came to light, Mamata Banerjee, through my All India General Secretary Mukul Roy, expressed her pain and her shock at these statements, and we totally condemn those statements. Today, less than 24 hours after those statements came onto television, Taposh Pal has written a letter to all of us, the party chairperson, the general secretary, the spokesperson, all MPs, and to all of you in the media. The letter is with you. The letter is up on the Trinamool website. That is his explanation. It's a detailed 3-paragraph letter. The process of disciplinary action next has already started. It has only been 24 hours. The Trinamool Congress condemns it. Mamata Banerjee condemns what he said. He has given us an explanation. He has offered an unconditional apology. I would appeal to your viewers and through you to read his letter, to decide for themselves whether that letter is good enough explanation. Party is in the process of examining this.
Yes, sir. In no unconditional terms, you have condemned the act.
Not only condemned,
yes,
the MP in question has written a letter. Please, the letter is with me. Can I have that letter, please?
Sir, you have
One minute. I am not Taposh Pal's spokesperson, but since he's written these letters, the last paragraph of this letter says, he's written 3 paragraphs. I'm reading from the last paragraph. He says he has no excuses to offer. It was an error of judgment. It was deeply insensitive on his part. It should never have happened. And he assures everyone it will never happen again. And he offers a humble apology, not only to the media, not only to his constituents, but also to his colleagues in the party. People in high places, people with responsible places, either they're in politics or in sport or in the cultural world or in the film world, have to be a lot more responsible as to what they say, especially on sensitive issues. But this is his response, this is his reply. He's written this to everybody. I got a copy of this a few hours ago. So we'll take it from there.
Will he be sacked, sir?
Now, we cannot tell you, we have started the process. Now you want me to read into the future? That is not possible. The party has a system. Every organization, democratic, transparent organization like us also has a system. You can be rest assured we will follow the system.